Now it's time for my favorite segment, Drift Into. From the color of Key West to the quiet of Nantucket, the crazy of Lake Havasu to the quaint of Newport. We drift into all these ports and, of course, take you with us. This time, we drift into the island of Bermuda for a tale of a famed washing machine. Sheila Gosling, the daughter of the famed washing machine queen, tells that tale.
My mother started making Swizzles in a Hoover washing machine when I was 14. That was the beginning of the washing machine queen parties. Parties at my mother's house would go on till the morning. The centerpiece was the washing machine. The one you're looking at today is the 5th generation. One of the reasons the washing machine is the perfect machine for making swizzles is because of the agitator. And the agitator goes around and around, and Mom always used to say, put the lemons through the wringer, because it was just the perfect way. And she'd say lots of lemon and lots of ice, and that makes the swizzle, along with pineapple juice, the orange juice, the black rum, the light brown rum, the falernum, and the grenadine, and Angostura bitters. That's the best. That makes the swizzle. The wash machine is an incredible tool for bringing everybody together. It's a very, very happy event. It's quite amazing when I walk down the street. They ask me, "Are you Sheila Gosling's daughter? And is your mother the famous lady that mixes swizzles in her wash machine?" I said, "It's all true."